Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment so you can move fast. Install Python 3. 10 plus, make a virtualenv and activate it. Then install essential packages like transformers, torch, fastapi, uvicorn, python dotemv, and requests so you can load models and serve endpoints. Once done, obtain API keys or a local model file and place credentials in a env file to avoid accidental leaks. Make sure to use a dedicated project folder. This keeps dependency versions isolated and reproducible. You now wire the model and processing pipeline. Decide whether to call a hosted API for reliability or load a local quantized model to reduce cost and latency. Next, initialize the tokenizer and model pipeline, then run 1 to 3 test prompts to verify tokenization and output behavior. After that, implement prompt templates for consistent responses, add simple safety and length filters, and normalize output formatting so downstream code receives predictable JSON. You finish by exposing the assistant via a fast API endpoint, adding a health check, and running uvicorn for development. This lets you iterate quickly. Then add caching, rate limits, and background workers for long-running tasks, and instrument metrics for latency and error rates so you can spot regressions. Finally, test end-to-end with integration prompts and a simple client. If something breaks, inspect your logs, verify env variables, and reproduce the issue with a minimal script to isolate the cause before changing core logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.